Alrighty folks, here's the new magnetic door. It's pretty awesome. It'll keep your GoPro 100% watertight. Unless you go too deep, of course. Without the waterproof case. Here is the old one, which would work for the GoPro 9, 10, 11, 12, and also still the 13, in case you can't afford this one. This one still works. I highly recommend this one. There's a knockoff from another company. I won't throw them under the bus, but that's up to you to buy it. But I had to send it back. It was just so terribly made. Now this one is definitely weather resistant. I've used this one and another one from GoPro for many overnight shots, and this thing is just top notch. These work great. So I'm really happy that GoPro finally came out with this one. Now here's one that you're only ever going to want to use indoors only, because there's no weatherproof whatsoever. This one came when I ordered a metal case. You'll see that in another video on my YouTube. Highly recommend checking that out. But let's check out the new battery charge cable. Yeah. Now this is compatible all the way back to the 9. That's why I got my 9 out here, because I want to show you. This will still work for that. Which is pretty freaking awesome. The book. Piece of paper which I threw away with the box. Ooh, look at that. Nice. I did not notice that before, but that means you can add an extension in there and keep on going and keep that water tight. Little longer cord. Very, very awesome. And the longest cord yet. How cool is that, alright? Now here it is. The door. Dun dun dun. Very cool. So I'm going to install this one on my 9, just to show you that it'll work. Pull that out. Let go. Alright, there we go. There it is, just line it up. Alright, well, I'm going to have to line it up closer to my face. Whoop. Well, you heard it snap. As you can see, it fits in there real nice. Locks right in. Very cool. Wait for it. There you go, my friends. Just that easy. As easy as 1, 2, 3.